Yeah, I still remember some parts because I tried to take the GC classes. Give you really?
So we have to.
I don't want to break anything, you know. Yeah, that's the look foundation level.
Yes.
So that's where we are.
Hi,
Nice to see you. Hi friends, this is Nick Polyushkin. Today we're going to talk about our construction project in Aventura. I'm here today with Elvis. He's the head of the construction project. I haven't been here for a month. I was away on vacation, so finally got back and I see a lot of progress here. So Elvis, tell us what has been done last month, what's gonna happen in next month, where we at. Tell us about the project, what issues we have so far, what successes. You know, I mean, construction is unpredictable, so I know we have something going on here with the waterproofing, but tell us more because our viewers are very interested to hear about the construction.
Well, we're doing the foundation part of the project. It's going a little bit not as fast as we can, but fighting with the weather. The weather has been raining almost every day. We're doing the footing, plus we have the water level is really high, as we can see over there. We have some water, we have to take the water out in order to pour all the footings. We're doing now the elevator footings. So this building, even though it's a small building, it will be a lot of, I will say it's a very strong building because we got a very good foundation.
So like a fortress.
It's a fortress.
Yeah, no, I can see all this
So
foundation.
all the foundation, we get it done. Now we're getting ready to do verticals. We're doing all the columns going to the second floor. As we can see over there, when the rebar is bent, that will be the bottom part of the second floor. So now we have to lift all these columns and level the ground, finish that footing. That's the biggest footing, it's 270 yards.
So this footing will go here where the water is, right?
Yes, that footing will be there.
So that's why we waiting for waterproofing.
Waterproofing, engineering, and it's a process that we want to make sure that the owners will get a high quality job at the time, so we don't have any issue in the future with elevators, getting water into the elevator. That's very expensive.
So in Florida it's very important because we have soils here which are very moist, and after raining, like we don't want to have issues down the road when the elevator got flooded, and it will take for us more to fix it later. So rather focus on it right now, and I like that Elvis look at these problems ahead of time where we can fix them at these stages, because later if we don't do it now, it's going to be huge issues for us as an owners to maintain it and to figure it out. So over here we have all the supplies for construction, like rebars and the concrete blocks.
Those cable, it will help the structure. Those cable will go underneath in between. And then we strength.
Oh, you strengthen.
We pull those cables.
So that's what makes building
That's what it makes it stronger, and actually you don't need a bigger slab and not rebar. And you can expand in between columns from 25 feet versus 20 feet or something like that. That will give you a better span.
So over here we have almost like a pool.
Yes, that's the orange dark points. That will be the top of the footing. Whatever
so it's gonna go.
Yeah, the footing will go
all the way up to here.
Down, and that will be the top of the footing.
So elevator goes somewhere
right here.
Right here. So that's gonna be elevator shaft at this part, because we have a four-story building. Actually, by code, we don't have to have an elevator, right? But
yes,
convenience of the future residents, of course, you have to, because to lift up the furniture, to use it. And we decided to go with stainless steel, I think.
Stainless steel, yeah.
We wrote Raul about it. Okay, so by next week, they can do the waterproofing, and then after that, you can pour the concrete. So in about 2-3 weeks, you think it will be?
Yes, that's our goal.
So basically, Elvis and Raul, so they have the model where they can plan ahead of time where they put machinery, equipment, and they see the building, how it goes. So at which stage? Can you show it at which stage we are right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, let's take a look. So you can adjust it in like live to see how it is, and oh yeah, that's the foundation level.
Yes.
So that's where we are right now.
The red pipe that you see underneath,
Yeah.
that's going to be your drainage.
Oh, that's
that
the
is all
drainage.
the way in the back. That's how the draining will be, the dimension that we have. So we're planning, we don't have any drainage on top of the footing. So, and we send the RFI to the architect.
Yeah,
and that way he can fix it before it's a problem, and then they want to come back to you with a change order or something like that. That's a very, very powerful tool.
Yeah,
so in that way you avoid expenses on the ownership part. That's the structure from the foundation put on top of the picture, and that helps us to find that out if there's any column that is not aligned or anything like that. So we able to have, it's not exact, but an estimating guess of what we're doing is right or wrong. You know, so far everything matched perfect.
Okay. Sounds good. I mean, you still
Yes,
keep going.
this will be your lobby area. You know, the stairs.
Yeah. Do we have any electrical systems going underneath or no?
It will be over here. So we're talking now with the FPL. The pad will be right here. We're going to do the conduits all the way to your property line.
So, but these columns were not waterproofed yet, too, or waterproofed already?
No, you don't need to. What you see in there, that's the rain.
What's that machine for?
Well, this machine will do, it works as a crane.
Oh, it's a crane.
We bring all the materials, all the heavy lifting we're doing with that. This is the heart of the project right now, this machine.
Gotcha.
Want to learn how to drive?
Nice. Whoa, that's cool.
You see, it can reach very high.
So you can put all the materials and just lift them up. It's like a heavy duty forklift. So just push it down. Oh,
Yeah,
so this
push it
goes
back,
up.
and then if you put it on the side, the other side.
Oh, the other side. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can put this down if you want to, and that's how you reach all kind of.
Thank you, Elvis.
You're welcome.
Elvis is a pro. And what about, so over here, so they installed the whole pump.
This pump right here, and this is something that we do with the waterproofing. We have to dig a hole lower than the level, the bottom of the footing. So he acting like a drain with the rocks underneath. So whenever we pull the water, we just get the water. We don't pull the sand and
the sand and the
So
stones.
this machine, believe it or not, he will empty that pool like in about 45 minutes.
No way. Oh, and it's target.
Oh, Nick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But believe it or not, things like this happening there. But
So that's what happens, you know?
yes.
So I can't wait wear white clothing anymore when I come to see you. I'll just wear construction clothes.
Well, we didn't plan this. I mean, this is
anyways, yeah, it's unplanned. So
Yes.
in construction, some things unplanned anyways. Okay, so we did an overview after a month of construction. So we'll come back in 3 weeks because Elvis said this part supposed to be done. If the waterproofing will be finished next week, so let's hope the concrete will be in, everything will be on time, because we need to do it before the hurricane season started. And thank you for review, thank you for your time. So guys, subscribe to my channel. We talk about the construction and development here, how the construction goes in South Florida. There's a lot of details, a lot of surprises. Look what happened, but it's gonna be fine. So let's keep building.
Thank you
Good
for the
job, good
opportunity.
progress, Elvis.
And we will move forward.
We will get it done very soon. Stay tuned. See you next time.